Hello, this is Russell with Zen Rent Property Management, and today we're here at a listing at 7104 South 48th Glen. This is in Laveen, Arizona. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath property, a little over 1,400 square feet. Great location right off the freeway, and yeah, it's not to be missed. Come check it out. Well, this concludes the tour of our 48th Street Glen property. For more information, to schedule a tour, to apply online, visit us at zenrentpm.com or give us a call at 855-ZENRENT, and we hope to hear from you soon. This isn't going to last. Thank you.